Drip, 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 hear that sound.
Hello, good people.
Pipes been leaking water all around. Don't stress.
Hey, how you doing?
How about you?
I'm doing okay. It's good to see you guys again.
Well, we didn't think we'd have to see you either.
Yeah, I know. How was y'all's holiday?
Well, good. How about yours?
It was good. Did y'all pop a lot of firecrackers?
No, we can't out here. You know?
Yeah. You gonna see any displays?
We can see them from here.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Well, you guys got a main line that's backing up on you today?
We do. And the thing is it goes from the outside
Yes, ma'am.
to the inside. Does that make sense?
Sort of, kind of. You guys got an outside clean out in the backyard?
We have it right outside the basement door.
The stairwell drain. Okay. But no like your event. Okay. Has it ever backed up? The main line ever backed up on you guys before?
This is the first time this is what's done.
Okay. But we don't have like any.
I don't think so.
Yeah, if there's a drain out here and if it's a mainline issue, then we definitely want to cable from this drain.
I think it's right in here. I thought so.
Okay. I'm gonna go walk to the neighbor's yard real quick. Sometimes it'll line up with theirs.
One quick call, we're on the move. Branches out with something to prove. Drip, 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 hear that sound. Pipes been leaking water all around. Don't stress, we pull up slick. You already know, call liquid. Clogged up sink or a busted drain. Basement's wet from a mystery stain. We show up, no time to stall. Two belt tight and we're fixing it all.
Okay.
We're on that roof, doing what most won't dare to do.
Oh, wow.
That's the way. Gutter the sewer, we get it in. Don't wait till it floods your floor. Where the crew been looking for. One quick
This was
call,
all flooded.
we're
We got
on
to
the
take a
move.
shower up there and it's all flooded.
Something to prove.
And
Drip, drip,
so
drip.
she went upstairs and I said, go upstairs and flush the commode. And then right here, this pipe here, they flushed it and here it came again. Undoubtedly it's stuck from here out.
Okay, let me take a look real quick.
And if you want to get to that opening, I gotta take a shower.
Yeah.
Climbing high, we're on that roof.
Oh, okay, I see it. Well, let's flush the hallway bathroom 2 times. Waiting on that flush. Let's see if it comes up in this floor drain. Yes, it did. Okay, that's enough. Yeah, and so when you flush from the hallway bathroom, this did come up.
Yeah.
And so it's coming up, it's gonna be a mainline blockage. So that means in essence, whatever you use, whatever water you use in the house is gonna come up. And the bigger volumes of water, like, you know, flushing and the wash machine, really gonna come up. Downright. And so, I mean, as easy as it would be for me to do it from here, it wouldn't be, sir.
It wouldn't do a job.
No, sir, because the cable is just a little bit thicker than this, and you're in a 4 to 6 inch line, you know, and so you want to be able to put a big cutter in there, you know, the main line cable. So we might be looking at this scenario, sir, where we might need to get back up on the roof to be able to get you back to normal.
Drip, 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 hear that sound. Pipes been water all around. Don't stress, we pull up slick. You
Thank you, guys.
call liquid.
So we're just gonna roll this tire up so we can see where our vent is at.
Basement's wet from a mystery stain. We show up, no time to stall. Two belt tight and we're fixing it all.
The electric right here.
Climbing
Okay,
high,
cool beans.
on that roof, doing what most won't dare to do. Vents that clear, now that's the way. Gutter the sewer, we get it in. Don't wait till it floods your floor. With the crew you've been looking for. One quick call, we're on the move. Branches out with something to prove. Drip, 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 hear that sound. Pipes been water all around. Don't stress, we pull Fill up slip, you already know. Call me quick. Clogged up sink, go to the train. Basement step from a mystery stain. So what, no time to spare. Really back tired and I'm fixing it all. Climbing hard, you wanna know me. Doing what goes from there to do. Events start to now that's the end. Better to see it, get it.
Let's go in and let's check the drain. So this is about, you know, being productive. And since I'm going back that direction, I might as well pull this cable out some. And give this young man a chance to get around there. I'll meet you at the garage. Too much pressure there on the top. Alright. Okay.
Branches out with something to prove. Drip, 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 hear that sound. Pipes been leaking water all around.
Oh man.
Don't stress.
Okay.
Fill up slip, you already
It doesn't matter. And so we're way down in this floor drain, guys. Take a look at that. And so that's a good sign. Right, sir. It didn't come up, so do me a favor. Let's flush 2 more times. And then I'm gonna put this water hose down the floor drain as well.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Turn this on, we'll come. Keep her on it real quick and see what she do. You dig? She's on right now though. Yeah, we got her going.
How we doing?
We're doing golden. Nothing came up. And so we're gonna flush 2 more times. I got the hose going on right now. So flush 2 more times and then we'll call it. But I'm gonna leave this hose on for the duration of me being here. Okay?
You want me to flush the tank on what you have?
It don't matter. Just twice. Yes, sir. So yeah, this is what we wanna see. Last time, you know, I asked him to flush so we can reproduce, and it only took 1 flush. You know, so sometimes that's an indication that the blockage is, you know, closer than further out. And again, we observed the manhole in the neighbor's yard over there, so they're not sitting that far away from MSD. The only disadvantage is that we cable from this far vent and not the closest vent to the front street. All right, sir. Yep. I'm gonna leave that hose on down there, and then I'm gonna pull out the rest of this cable. Yes, sir.